Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Zach Pop Art. I'm so excited to be talking to you guys for the first time with my voice. It's a special moment for me, and I'm thrilled to share it with all of you. So, grab a cup of coffee, get comfortable, and let's spend some quality time together. First, let me introduce myself properly. I'm Zach Mohammed, a watercolor artist who pours his heart and soul into every piece of art. Painting is my passion, and through it, I tell stories and express deep emotions. It's a journey of colors and feelings, and I'm grateful to have you all on this journey with me. I was born and raised in the Middle East, a place where being true to myself wasn't easy. From a young age, I struggled to express myself as a gay man in a society that doesn't accept it. The traditions and lifestyle there just didn't allow me to be who I am. The fear of being discovered was a constant shadow, and unfortunately, I even received death threats. This intense fear made me decide to take a bold and painful step in late 2018 to move to New York. Leaving behind my life in Dubai wasn't easy. I had a comfortable life, working as a successful engineer. Dubai is a beautiful city with so much to offer, but the fear and danger I faced were too much. Moving to New York was like starting over, a fresh start in a city full of possibilities and hope. It was a leap of faith, but it was necessary for my survival and happiness. At the end of 2018, I found love and started a wonderful relationship with my boyfriend. Despite all the challenges, I never gave up on my dream of being a voice for LGBTQ+ people in the Middle East. During the COVID-19 pandemic, like many of you, I found myself spending a lot of time indoors. This time of isolation became a period of deep reflection and creativity for me. I turned to art, something that has always been a sanctuary for me. I started using rainbow colors as a central theme in my watercolor paintings. There's something incredibly calming and freeing about watching the colors blend and flow on the paper. It's like therapy, a way to pour out all the pent-up emotions and turn them into something beautiful. I launched my website and started this YouTube channel to share my journey and art with all of you. It's been an amazing experience so far, and I'm so grateful for your support. Each piece I create has a story, a part of my soul in it. It's my way of communicating my experiences, my struggles, and my joys. I'm really proud to have you all following and supporting me. Your support means the world to me, and it motivates me to keep creating and sharing my art. If you want to know more about my life and experiences, feel free to leave comments below. I'd be happy to share more with you in future videos. Your engagement and interest keep me going. It makes me feel connected to you all, even though we might be miles apart. Before we dive into today's painting, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Also, check out the links in the description to buy prints of my artwork and support the channel. Your support helps me continue doing what I love and sharing it with the world. Now, let me show you today's piece, Dream Underwater. This painting is very special to me. It represents a person immersed in a sea of fish, surrounded by the tranquility and beauty of underwater life. The background of this piece is inspired by Japanese prints, giving it a unique and serene aesthetic. Creating this artwork was incredibly therapeutic for me, and I hope it resonates with you too. I wanted to capture the peacefulness and the sense of freedom that comes with being underwater, away from the chaos of the world above. As I paint, I often think about the journey that brought me here. Each brushstroke is a reminder of the struggles I've overcome and the beauty that can come from pain. Art has been my voice, my escape, and my way of reaching out to others who might feel alone. I hope my paintings can bring a bit of comfort and joy to your lives as well. Remember, You'll find the links to buy the prints in the video description and pinned comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends. It really helps the channel grow and reach more people who might enjoy my art. Once again, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'm looking forward to reading your comments and answering your questions. Your support means everything to me, and I'm so grateful for each and every one of you. Thank you for taking the time to listen to my story and for being a part of this community. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and stay creative.